Welcome to Elle's Sprouting Hub Bedtime Story Series. Once upon a time, in the heart of the Whispering Woods, lived a cheerful little elf named Elara. Her golden hair shimmered in the sunlight, and her laughter danced through the trees. One sunny morning, Elara decided to explore the deepest part of the woods where the ancient willow tree stood, said to hold secrets of the forest. As she ventured deeper, the trees whispered softly, guiding her along a winding path. Suddenly, she stumbled upon a tiny, shimmering pond. Curious, she leaned closer and saw a reflection not of herself but of a beautiful dragon, its scales sparkling like jewels. "Help me, dear elf. I am trapped in this realm," the dragon pleaded. Elara's heart swelled with bravery as she promised to help. Together, they uncovered the enchanted stones hidden around the pond, each holding a piece of the dragon's magic. With teamwork and determination, Elara and the dragon restored its magic, freeing it to soar skyward. As a token of gratitude, the dragon gifted Elara a single shimmering scale, a reminder of their adventure and the magic of friendship. Elara returned home, her heart filled with joy, knowing that true courage lies in helping others and believing in the unseen wonders of the world. Like and subscribe to our channel for more bedtime and educational videos. Thanks, and check out our next video.